Hey everybody, my name is Kayla Glumack, and today we're talking about colonoscopy prep because that's fun. I want to give you my top tips to make it a little less yucky, so definitely stay tuned if you are getting your colonoscopy too. Okay, so let's jump right in. We're going to talk about the day before you have your procedure. So you're going to get a packet of information from your doctor before you even have the procedure, and that's going to go over what you should and shouldn't eat. So I'm going to talk about the actual day before the procedure, which includes drinking the yucky stuff. So basically, starting when you wake up, you're going to want to not eat solid foods, and that is going to help to kind of prep the gut. You're going to have less stool to go through, so even better for later on. So basically, I like to stick with chicken broth and Jello, and you don't want to have any purple or pink or red or whatever Jello because that can kind of look like blood, you know? And if you have ulcerative colitis like I do, they want to see your actual like tissue colors on the inside of your colonoscopy. So I just get lemon lime. It works. So anyway, the big jug of prep, you have to drink 8 ounces of it every 15 minutes. So I actually like to measure it out because it's so yucky that I don't want to drink more than I have to. So your doctor may be different. For most of my colonoscopies, I had to drink the whole jug the night before and then, you know, let it work its magic overnight and stuff. So, but now my last 2 colonoscopies that I've had, I just had to drink half the jug the night before and then the other half the morning of. So it's a little more tolerable, which is good. I definitely recommend wearing some sweatpants because you'll be making lots of trips to the bathroom and you'll want easy on and easy off, you know what I mean? So it takes about an hour for it to kick in. And basically what Nulytey or Golytely is it's kind of like, I picture it being like a Drano. It is a laxative, and it does have some electrolytes in there too, like potassium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, and sodium chloride. I think those are the 3. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, it's there to clean you out. So it works really good. It starts working about an hour after, I would say. What I like to do is just keep a little notebook of like, all right, I started at 6 p.m. Boom, here's this. And then I put a timer on my phone. So every 15 minutes, it dings off and I'm gonna drink it again. So we've got our 8 ounces already measured out, and I pour this into a glass, and then I measured out for the first one so that I know for the rest of them how much to fill my glass up with. My first my first tip is to have it be cold, but not super cold. I hope that makes sense. So it's easier to drink it when it's cold, but what I basically do is I just fill it up with cold tap water and I'll leave it out for the night that I'm drinking it because I just find that it goes down easier if it's not super, super chilled because then you get cold too, you know? Okay, my second tip is it comes with a flavor packet. So actually, before even pouring it into our cup, I had added a flavor packet. It comes with either cherry, lemon lime, and orange, I think, most of the time. I just do lemon lime in there because I'm actually going to be chasing it with a lemon lime gatorade. And I find that taste is the best of all of them. It's personal preference. You could add whatever flavoring you want to it, but that is that. Okay, so then we've poured 8 ounces into our glass. This is my other little tip to make it a little less yucky. I'm gonna be chasing it with a lemon lime gatorade, but I actually mix a little bit of this in here. And I don't know if like you're supposed to do that per se, but every time I've had a colonoscopy, they praise me on how well I'm cleaned out. So this stuff still does its job, even though I'm mixing in a little Gatorade into it too. You can add a little more if you want, but then just remember, the more you add, the more you have to drink in that 15-minute time frame. Okay, next little tip is straws. You can get these little reusable straws. This one is just from, you know, restaurant. I think it's a caribou straw. It looks like that color. Anyway, I like to use the reusable straws, or the plastic ones, because after 2 or 3 glasses, I get a different straw. And I know that's kind of wasteful, but there's a thing where I just want to taste it as little as possible because it's gross. If you don't mind the flavor, more power to you, but I don't know many people that do mind the flavor. You could also use a reusable straw and then just wash it in between so that you get that flavor off of the straw. And the reason I say use a straw is because you can actually get that straw super far back so it like misses your taste buds, and that way you don't have to taste very much more of it. And it's good for the old college trick of chugging. So what I like to do is hold my Gatorade in one hand or like have it readily available, you know? We're gonna chug this as fast as we can and then chase it with the Gatorade. So it's the chug and chase. Pray for me. It's always this kind of like, you gotta really gear yourself up, you know what I mean? Because it is so gross. Oof. I like to always have a movie on in the background, something that is very nice and cheerful and kind of gets me through this time. All right, here we go, bottoms up. All right, whew. Got her. So there's one. I would mark Asla, stop. That's my dog, sorry. Okay. Then you can go on and, you know, check it off on your list and move on to the next one. Someone must be walking by with their dog, so my dog might start barking. Anyway, oh, that is not great. This really does help though, because then it cuts that flavor. You're like, oh yay, like you get to the Gatorade, you know what I mean? So anyway, those are my main tips, is to keep it cold, but not super, super cold. Use a straw, measure out your 8 ounces, add a splash of Gatorade to it, and then chug and chase. And boy, oh boy, 15 minutes from now, we'll do it again. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this was helpful. I found that these tips were really helpful for me, for making it taste a little less yucky and be a little bit more manageable. Hopefully this works for you too, and good luck with your colonoscopy. It's gonna go great. If you have any questions or any other tips and tricks to leave down below in the comments, please do. And be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. I'll be uploading soon. All right, have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye.